हारन दे Running start, right running start, road is blocked. Fast driving, road is clear. Gilgit is road clear, sir. No landsliding. Normal speed.
Gilgit Pakistan?
Yeah, maybe 30 kilometer is no sliding area.
Jagalot, Gilgit.
Gilgit, Janglot and Gilgit distance, normal speed good. Here, this one road is speed fast. Anytime landsliding.
Maybe experienced driver in fast, non-experienced driver no fast.
No fast, slow driving. Experienced driver is fast driving. This one road.